Ever wondered what it takes to turn a piglet into profit? Stick around. Alright, so you want to dive into pig farming. Here's what you need to know to get started without getting lost in the mud. First up, housing. Pigs need sturdy, well-ventilated pens with plenty of shade, think dry, draft-free, and easy to clean. A muddy mess isn't just gross, it can make your pigs sick. Next, feeding. Pigs love to eat, but it's not just about stuffing them with scraps. They need balanced food grains, protein, and lots of fresh water. And don't forget, growing pigs need different feeds than adult ones. Health is key. Keep a close eye for signs of sickness. Coughing, limping, or not eating are big red flags. Build a relationship with a local vet, you'll thank yourself later. Don't forget about space. Pigs love to root and explore. Give them a patch to roam and you'll have happier, healthier animals. Now let's talk money. Start small. 2 or 3 pigs is perfect for beginners. Learn as you go and scale up when you feel confident. And here's the best part. Pigs grow fast. In just 6 months, you could be looking at a full-grown hog ready for market or your own freezer. So ready to get your boots dirty? Pig farming is hard work, but it's rewarding whether you're after profit, food, or just a new adventure. Subscribe for more down-to-earth farming tips.